TikTok escalates ad disruption with new formats. TikTok is rolling out several new ad formats designed to grab user attention more aggressively, including placements that appear the instant the app is opened and sequences of ads shown within short timeframes. These changes represent a significant step toward more intrusive advertising on the platform, though TikTok frames them as seamless integrations into the user experience. Logo takeover. Co-branding at first glance, one of the most notable additions is the logo takeover format. This allows advertisers to co-brand directly with TikTok on the app's launch screen, meaning users will see a brand's logo alongside TikTok's the moment they open the app. The company claims this format builds credibility and reach, but it effectively turns the app's opening animation into a paid advertisement. Primetime ads. Sequential messaging, another new feature. Primetime lets brands deploy a series of 3 ads to the same user within a 15-minute window. TikTok suggests this is ideal for storytelling, but the rapid-fire delivery could easily be perceived as overwhelming or annoying by users. The intention is to ensure high visibility during peak engagement periods. Top reach. Maximizing daily impressions, TikTok is also bundling its top view, the first ad users see upon opening the app, and top feed, the first in-feed ad, into a new top reach format. This combines the highest visibility placements to ensure brands hit the maximum number of users daily. TikTok's defense. Ads as conversation. TikTok argues these formats aren't interruptions, but rather natural extensions of the platform's cultural conversation. According to Cartoon Weiss, VP of Global Business Solutions at TikTok, ads live inside the content and products people already love. The company's stance is that brands are joining the conversation rather than breaking it. Expanding Pulse Suite. Leveraging real-time discussions in addition to these formats, TikTok is expanding its Pulse Suite. Pulse mentions places ads alongside user discussions about specific brands or categories, while Pulse Tastemakers aligns ads with creator content. This means even organic conversations are being monetized. These changes signal a clear push toward more aggressive monetization on TikTok. While the platform insists these moves are user-friendly, the reality is that they increase ad exposure significantly, potentially at the expense of user experience. The long-term impact on engagement remains to be seen, but it's undeniable that TikTok is doubling down on its advertising strategy.